Hey activity learners! Let's learn letters, numbers, and colors with this vending machine. Inside are our friends from Sesame Street. We need to match the right coins and press the right buttons to get each friend out. Inside we have Elmo, Cookie Monster, Big Bird, Zoe, Oscar, Bert, Grover, Ernie, and Abby. Let's start with Oscar. Let's look at the information below. I see the letter B and the number 2. We need to make sure we press the right button to get Oscar out. Let's start with the letter. Do you see the letter B? That's right, there it is. Now which button do we need to press? That's right, the number 2. B2. And now we need to insert the right colored coin. Oscar's on the shelf that is green, so we need to insert a green coin. Let's put it inside the slot. And do you remember which button we have to press? That's right, the number 2. Where did Oscar go? There he is. We got Oscar. Let's choose another friend. What about Elmo? Let's look at the information that we have under Elmo. Which letter is under Elmo? That's right, the letter A. Do you see the letter A? There it is on the machine. Now what about the number? 1. And there is the number 1 button, A1. The correct matching coin is blue. Let's put it into the slot. Let's press the number 1. Where is Elmo? There he is. Great job selecting the right button. Next, I'm going to choose Abby. What do we know about Abby? She's on C3. Do you see the letter C on the machine? There it is. Now which number do we need to press? The number 3. There it is. The correct coin is the color red. Let's insert the coin. We need to press the button 3. Where is Abby? There she is. Great job. Next, I'm going to select Cookie Monster. Cookie Monster is on A2. Let's find the letter A. There it is. And what's the correct number that we need to press? That's right, the number 2. The correct coin is blue. Let's insert the coin. Which button do we need to press? That's right, number 2. Where's Cookie Monster? There he is. We pushed the right button, so we got Cookie Monster. Next, I'm going to choose Grover. Grover is on C1. Do you see the letter C? There it is. And what is the correct number? Number 1, and there's the button. The right matching coin is red. Let's insert the coin. Let's press the number 1. Where is Grover? There he is. Great job. Next, I'm going to choose Zoe. Zoe is on B1. Where is the letter B? That's right. Now let's find the number 1. There it is. The right coin is the color green. Let's insert the coin. And let's push the number 1 button. There goes Zoe. There she is. Now I'm going to choose Big Bird. Big Bird is on A3. Let's find the letter A. There it is. And there is the number 3. Let's insert the blue coin. And let's push the number 3. Did you see that? There's Big Bird. Next, I'm going to select Ernie. Ernie is on C2. What do we need to press? There's the letter C and there's the number 2. Let's insert the red coin. And let's push the number 2. Wait a minute. It looks like Ernie is stuck. Let's help him out. Oh boy, he is definitely stuck. There we go. We got Ernie. The last friend is Bert. Do you know which button we need to press? That's right, B3. Here's our green coin and let's put it in the slot. Let's press B3. There goes Bert. We got our last Sesame Street friend out. Great job! I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more fun learning videos. Bye-bye!